Today, I'll show you how to convert an image to a PDF file using WPS Office for free. It's quick, easy, and you don't need to spend a dime. First things first, if you're not familiar with WPS Office, it's a free all-in-one Office suite that's perfect for handling documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and yes, even PDFs. You can download it for free on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. The link is in the description below, so make sure to grab it if you don't already have it. Alright, let's get started with the step-by-step process. Open WPS Office. Once you've installed WPS Office, open the app and head to the PDF section. You'll find it right on the home screen. Select the image. Click on Picture to PDF. A file browser will pop up. Select the image or images you want to convert. You can even select multiple images if you want to combine them into a single PDF. Adjust settings. After selecting your images, you'll see a preview. Here, you can adjust the order of the images, resize them, or even add margins if needed. WPS makes it super intuitive. Convert to PDF. Once everything looks good, hit the Export to PDF button. Choose where you want to save the file, give it a name, and click Save. And just like that, your image is now a PDF. And that's it for today. A super simple way to convert images to PDF files using WPS Office for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tech tips and tricks.